Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to IT for Solution. Now in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you about widgets, that what are widgets or how can we create widgets. If we come on our website and here in our footer, these are widgets like recent posts, recent comments, archives, categories, meta. These are our widgets and this is our footer. Now I'm gonna change these widgets and tell you how can you manage your widgets. Like this is our footer 1 and footer 2. These are our widgets. I want to remove. If I can remove all the widgets, no, I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna remove these and drag here. You have to you don't have to delete these widgets. You just click on this and drag here in anywhere, then these widgets can be removed. And kept this I want to kept this meta widget left because just want to show you that how it can feel. Now only meta can remain left, other all the widgets can be removed. Now I want create widgets like recent comments. Here these are our recent comments, these are archives in footer 2 and one more recent comments in footer 2. Now we don't want to save the widgets. Like if you can noticed, it automatically refreshed. We don't want to save this, so I can drag recent comments back here and these are my widgets. If I can refresh this page, then you guys see that these are widgets. These widgets are showing down here because this setting is by default by this theme that I'm using. In some themes widgets can be shown in this right sidebar. It depends on your theme. So these are widgets. You can add any widgets from here, like recent comments, pages, meta, gallery, custom HTML calendar. You can also add calendar here. Let me show you how can you create. Now if I can refresh this page and you guys see this calendar is added January 2020. These are our widgets. We can add or remove widgets from here. I hope guys you guys like this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel for new more interesting videos. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.